Hello, welcome to National Appliance Warehouse. I'm Scott. Today we're going to go over one of our favorite grills here, which is the Weber Special Edition series. The Special Edition is exclusive to independent retailers. You won't find these at your big box hardware stores and places of that nature. The difference in the Special Edition series, while you're going to go into those places and see a grill that looks absolutely identical, what you're going to see here is we have a all stainless steel interior. That's stainless steel cooking grates, stainless steel flavorizer bars. That is an exclusive to Weber, by the way. This actually acts as your charcoal, if you will. These flavorizer bars, any of your grease that comes down from your burger or your steak goes down off of the pyramid and actually smokes back up into the food. Webers are designed for lid down barbecuing. So it actually holds the flavor inside the lid cavity. Everything inside is stainless steel. You're never going to have to replace these unless you elect to. Which brings me to my next point. Weber's new warranty for 2018 is 10 years from floor to top. 10 years. Anything goes wrong with this grill for 10 years, Weber replaces it. Call Weber, give them your model and serial number, they're going to send you exactly what you need. Your burner tubes, don't worry about it. Stainless steel and 10-year warranty. Inside, you look, it's never going to look this beautiful again, but you can definitely see on the showroom floor, it starts out as, if it's not stainless, it is aluminum. Totally rust-free materials inside the grill. Weber's in my own backyard. Weber is certainly, you don't have to sell a name like Weber. They've been in business since 1958. We love them here. Look forward to seeing you down. Check out every one that we have.